My name is Teacher B. Today we're going to have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, what's your name?
My name is Anna Chu.
Anna too. How old are you?
I'm 6 years
Old.
old.
Alright then, 6 years old. How are you today, Anna too?
I'm happy.
That's good to hear. What colors do you like? What colors do you like? Anna too, what colors do you like? Teacher B likes blue. How about you?
Orange.
I like.
Orange.
Okay, I like orange. Alright, very good. Now let's proceed to part 2. Letter recognition. You will going to say the letter and then you will say the sound of it.
Little little pizza. Little pizza. Little pizza. Little pizza. Little.
Letter. What letter is this? D, E, letter F. Alright, thank you for that, Anna too. Now let's proceed to part 3, sounds recognition. I'm going to ask you where is the sound of and then you're going to point it with your finger, okay? Like this. Get it? Okay, letter A. Okay, good job. How about that one? Letter C. Where is that? Tell me. Where is that? This point. This one, or this one? Where? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's correct. What is that again? Okay, so is it a candy? Is it a candy? Yes or no? This one, is it a candy? Yes or no? Yes, alright. Can you say it? Alright, so this is your answer, right? So you pointed it, but you didn't say the name, you forgot the name. So let's proceed with this one. The sound. Okay, point it. Use your finger and then point it. Go. Oh, what is that? Okay, I'm going to say the names. Eggplant, sofa, and it's a drum or armchair. Okay, armchair and then drum. So what is the answer? Okay, the drum. Alright then, let's proceed to the next sound. Letter F. Sounds. Okay, where is that? Where is the frog? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to this picture. What do you see here? How many apples are there in the tree? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Yes or no? Is it a bird? Anna, is it a bird? Yes or no? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Say it. Yes, it is. Alright then, how about this one? What's this?
Cat.
It's a
Cat.
okay. What does the cat say? What does the cat say? If the dog says "Brr, brr," how about the cat? No, very good. Now how about this one? Have you seen this one? Wait, I will make it bigger. See this? What is this?
Duck.
Okay, how about this one? The girl is holding a what? The small one. What is this? Huh? Yeah, your sound is correct, but what's next? Hmm? Is it a doll? Yes or no? Is it a doll?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So, how about this one? Is it a doll? No, it isn't. Alright then. So let's proceed this one. How about this? What is this inside of the basket? What is inside of the basket, or what are the inside of the basket?
Egg.
Okay, eggs. Now, let's proceed. What is this beginning sound of an egg? What is the beginning sound of an egg? Beginning sound of an egg. Egg. Okay, egg. And then how about this one? What is this? Frog? Is it a frog? Take a look at this really. Sorry, but I can't make it larger. I think this is the largest part, okay? What is this? Yeah, that's correct. It's letter F. It starts with letter F.
Cross.
Fish.
Fish.
And what's the color of the